Hi guys, this is Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life, and today I'm going to make over this lantern. This is a fall DIY and decor challenge put together by Christina at the DIY Mommy. After you're done watching my video, make sure you click on the playlist down below in the description and watch everyone that participated in this challenge. You will see many things that maybe will help you and inspire you to finish your fall decor. First, I need to clean this off. It was quite dirty, and you can see the top is rusty and whatever finish was on it was peeling off, so I need to scrape that off and sand it down. Okay, my plans for this is to spray paint the top with some copper spray paint and to paint the bottom with some white chalk paint, but I'm not sure how that's going to turn out. We shall see. Okay, this is the white chalk paint that I am using, but as you will see in a minute, I decide that I don't like it, so I end up wiping it off. I decided to just go with the finish that was already on it. The white was making it look too pristine, and if you have been following my channel, you know that I kind of have like a rustic look, so it just wasn't looking like how I wanted it to. Okay, so on to the spray paint. So I just put a piece of cardboard under the lid so I don't get the rest of the lantern spray painted, and I had to tape off around the rim so that wouldn't get painted, and I'm using this bright coat copper Rust-Oleum paint. I tend to be impatient, so I'm trying to have a little patience this time, and I'm just lightly spray painting it and then letting it dry and then putting on another coat, and I end up putting on 3 coats of the spray paint. And I have a fan drying it off in between coats because I am here in Florida and it is still quite humid out, so yeah. Okay, on to the decorating. I am going in my stash of garland and gourds and leaves and flowers, and this is what I picked out, and I'm just going to layer it inside the lantern along with a set of fairy lights. Okay, all done. Now it's time to put it on the front porch. You are going to get a sneak peek at my front porch decor. If you have missed that video, I will link that down below. If you're new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe and like this video so you don't miss another fall decor video. I have several videos coming up in the next couple of weeks. I would love to know what you think in the comments below how this turned out. I'm really liking it, and I'm glad I decided not to paint it white, and I think it looks pretty good. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day.